Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the lighting, sorry about how I'm filming. I just don't have my tripod anymore. But anyway, first and foremost, I want to say thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys don't even understand. So of course, as promised, I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys. This giveaway is going to be a complete mystery box, but I'm really good at surprises, so it's gonna come with a bunch of amazing things. It's gonna come with a bunch of really amazing products, from nail products to like random stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out, but I'm so excited for whoever wins. To enter, it's gonna be very easy. You can either enter through YouTube here, or you can enter on my Instagram page. In order to enter here on YouTube, you must be a subscriber and you must leave a comment down below just telling me what your favorite products are. Yeah, just tell me what your favorite products are. Really simple. If you do want to enter through Instagram, you can do that also. But the rules are a little bit different on Instagram. So on Instagram, you do have to follow me, you have to like my giveaway post, and you also have to leave a comment tagging 2 of your nail friends. Friends who like nails, whatever, and that will enter you into the giveaway. So yeah, super easy. It's gonna start today, right now, so make sure you leave your guys' comments, and it's gonna run until the 8th. It's gonna run until Monday. So on Tuesday, which is June 9th, I'm going to select and announce the winner of the giveaway. So yeah, I'm very excited, and I'm so happy to finally be giving back. This is definitely gonna be the start of many. I do want to do more giveaways, especially here on YouTube, because I do appreciate your guys' views, your comments, your likes, all that stuff so much. So yeah, make sure you get your entry in. Good luck to everybody. Once again, I just want to say thank you so much to all my supporters, whether you be my clients, whether you're my Instagram friend, whether you are a subscriber here. I appreciate you guys more than you ever know. But yeah, good luck everybody, and I will see you in the next video.